Doodle ASMR is blowing up right now. Scroll through Instagram and entire accounts are built around it, one clip alone pulling 13 million views. A little white doodle stands beside a bucket on a wet table, filling it up with water, and it's sitting past 1 million likes. It's turned into a whole niche on its own. The same kind of doodle dropped into cinematic scenes, dirty and clean challenges, real slime and water. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make them yourself. From the AI Century homepage, open GPT library in the left sidebar. In the search bar, type Doodle ASMR. So click Start Chat on it. It opens with 4 options. Start with the scene menu. Create a reusable reference of your doodle. Drop the doodle into a photo or build a 5-scene slime stretch reel. Let's start with create a reusable reference of my white doodle. The GPT builds a reference prompt, a locked doodle design, round blob body, 2 dash eyes, on a plain gray background. Copy that prompt. Switch to OpenArt into the Create Image tool. Set the model to Nano Banana Pro. Paste the prompt in. Set the aspect ratio to 4:3 and choose how many images you want. And click Generate, a flat white blob character, 2 dash eyes, thin black noodle arms and legs, standing on a plain gray background. That's the reusable reference locked in. Next, we put it to work in an actual scene. Back in the Doodle ASMR chat, pick Build Me a 5-Scene Slime Stretch ASMR Reel. It lays out a full scene map. Grip, stretch, ring, snap, and drip. Final pull. 1 locked doodle, 1 continuous setting, the same mossy stone garden steps, and the same water jar in every shot. Each scene comes with a still image prompt and a matching video prompt. So copy first image prompt, switch to OpenArt, paste it into Create Image, attach the doodle reference so the character stays consistent, keep the aspect ratio at 9:16, and generate. The doodle crouches low over the wet, mossy stone steps, both hands gripping the edge of a translucent slime sheet just starting to sag under its own weight, the water jar beside it and greenery filling the background under soft, overcast light. For the second scene, copy its prompt, switch back to OpenArt, paste the prompt in, attach the image you just generated as the reference, and generate. Repeat this process for the rest of the scenes. Once all 5 images are ready, we turn them into motion. So go back to GPT and copy the first video prompt. Head to the OpenArt, switch to the Video tab. Pick the Kling 3.0 model. Paste in the first video prompt. Set image 1 as the start frame and image 2 as the end frame. Set the output to 15 seconds and resolution to 1080p and generate. The doodle leans in, grips the slime, and pulls it into long glossy strands right on the mossy steps beside the jar. So we do the same for the rest of the scenes to finish the reel. Same setup, 1 scene at a time. Start frame is the current scene's image. End frame is the next scene's image. Prompt is that scene's video prompt. Model Kling 3.0. Output 15 seconds at 1080p. After 5 videos are generated, queue them up and let them render. Across all 5 clips, it's the same idea. The doodle grips, stretches, twists, or pulls at the slime, always on the same mossy stone steps. The water jar sitting in frame the whole time, slow and deliberate, just the sound of rain and the slime itself. Let me show the second method to make them. Click Start button and it opens the full menu. Pick a path, pick a scene, or just type a number combo like 1+2. It hands back a matching image prompt and video prompt for that exact scene. Generate the image in OpenArt the same way. You'll get character and scene reference image. Then for the video, paste the prompt in with that same image as the reference, no start or end frame needed, and generate. And that's how you can make your own Doodle ASMR videos. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.